go!
What's up guys, Full here today with another video, and in today's video I'll be unboxing this Gamdias or Gamdias, however it is pronounced, combo set. So this set comes with a keyboard, a mouse, a headset, and a mouse pad. They are gaming peripherals after all, so of course they've got that RGB. I'm not too sure how bright that RGB is, but hopefully it's bright enough that it can fit in with all of this. This keyboard I won't be using anymore after I unbox this, and hopefully it is of good quality. So as I read the box here, multicolor backlight, stable structure with aesthetic veining. Well, since this is a gaming keyboard, it does have mechanical switches, and also says it has a spill resistant design, which hopefully I will never have to spill anything on my keyboard. I have very bad experiences with that. So yeah, this is just the box. I bought this from Eve Tech. The link will be in the description down below, and I believe this was probably 600 or 700 rand. I'll have the price pop up somewhere around here, but yeah, this is it. And let's get to opening it. Okay, so here we have it. We're just gonna open that, flip this open, and it's gonna drop like this, I believe. Yeah, so right at the top we are greeted with the mouse pad. Feels very nice. Just for reference, this is the mouse pad that I use. This is a mouse pad that I got back in primary school about 6 years ago when I was in grade 7. After like the school photos, I decided to get like a mouse pad along with it. Yeah, you can see this pretty boy over here, so I probably will be using this for something else. So yeah, and let's see what's at the top. So these are all wired peripherals, just to let you all know. So I'm assuming that this is the keyboard. Well, of course this has to be a keyboard, what else is it going to be? So yeah. And oh, does this thing look really nice. Let's have a sound check. Oh wow, that just sounds so amazing, that clickiness. I'm not sure if you can hear this keyboard. It doesn't have such a tactile sound. Yeah, here's the keyboard. Feels really nice. Let's see the back side. Also has like some legs to strut it up, of course. So yeah, here we go. This seems like it's made out of metal, probably aluminium, most likely, and that's plastic on bottom. So what's next in the box? Okay, let's see what's this. I'm assuming that this will be the mouse, and my assumption was correct. So this is the mouse. Put the box to the side. So here is the mouse. Hopefully it's coming out very nicely. Feels like a very good mouse. Now I believe this is an ambidextrous mouse, so if you are left or right-handed, I am right-handed, so my thumb will go there. If you're left-handed, your thumb will go there. And it also has the side buttons, which I hope are configurable. Scroll wheel feels absolutely amazing, and I assume this is the DPI adjuster. And it looks like a matte black finish, and obviously it has LEDs that lights up, and around here it lights up. I'm not sure if there's software to arrange how it lights up, but yeah, these buttons on the side feel very good. So yeah, that's that. And the last bit is the headset, if I can get that out. Okay, so this is to take the buttons off, which, yeah, so these are, so you can replace the keycaps if you want. Just listen to that. It sounds amazing. So let me put this back on. So yeah, and here is the headset. The headset is also RGB. So let's just untie it. So it looks like there are 3 inputs for this headset. There is USB, and then there's these 2, which I'm assuming one is for the headset and one is for the mic. The mic on this headset is this one over here, and it seems to be a volume adjuster over there. And looks like it's one of these ones that can flex all about the place. Hopefully that shaking sound is not one of the drivers being broken and stuff. But yeah. So let me just put these all out here. Let's just listen to this keyboard. Yeah, I'll never get enough of that. That just sounds absolutely amazing. Here's the mouse. Looks like now we can see it in better lighting. So scroll wheel, DPI adjuster, and here are the side buttons, which hopefully I can use within apps such as Adobe Premiere, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, After Effects, Blender, apps like that. So yeah, as I said, it's an ambidextrous mouse. So yeah, whether you're left or right-handed, you won't have a problem. And obviously here is the mouse pad. So let's test these out, shall we? Okay, so right now I've just plugged up the mouse and the keyboard. So as you can see, yeah, the keyboard cycles through some colors. I'm not sure if there's software for me to make it like one color. I'll check that out as I use it more, but it cycles through blue, green, red. So basically the RGB spectrum. I think, yeah, purple. I was about to say purple and then it went to purple, so that was very coincidental. And let's see what's the next color it cycles to. Yellow or green, whatever it's showing on the camera, but on my side it's yellow. Back to blue, unless I'm colorblind. And the mouse also changes color. It cycles through a bit more colors, so it basically cycles through different colors at the same time. So like right now here on the side, here it's blue, then here it was purple. It's changing color. So yeah, and this is only my first impressions of it, but as I am working through my computer, it seems pretty responsive. Let me just do something such as go into Microsoft Word. So right now I got Microsoft Word, and now I can just type with this amazing keyboard. I basically type gibberish, but this keyboard just feels absolutely wonderful. I'm not sure what type of keyboard it is. I'm not sure if it's a chiclet style keyboard. Compared to this, and then you hear this, it's much better. One thing that I like about it is that when I press the keyboard, whether it be on the very far left or the very far right, like right on the edge or the corner of the space button, it goes down. On this keyboard, it didn't. So yeah, that's a problem. On my laptop it works, but on this keyboard it was not good, and it was not very good. Then we got the mouse. Mouse is very comfortable. It's a very big mouse, bigger than this small mouse that I have. My hands are absolutely huge, or I'm not sure, but they're big, so my hands fit comfortably on this mouse. I can press the side buttons very easily, and yeah, navigation with it is very nice, very good enough. We got the headphones here. I haven't plugged up the headphones. So far, they feel very comfortable. They are over-ear headphones, which is very good. Probably good for long durations of having them on. So I'm just gonna plug this up via the USB port. And as you can see, these things also light up. Yeah. Hopefully these aren't too distracting in the dark. One thing that's nice about these is depending on your head size, like this little headband here, it'll adjust. It's probably working better for me now because I got a lot of hair. So yeah, you can't adjust it here on the side. It's all over here on the headband. So yeah. So before I go any further, this thing does light up on the condition that you plug it into the USB port. The USB is basically to power the LED lights, and for these things, yeah, you can either choose between just using it for like the mic, or using it for actual headset purposes, or both. So yeah, this thing is on right now. It's just that it's not lighting up because I didn't plug in the USB. So if I disconnect this keyboard and I plug it into the USB port, it will function and work along with the lights. I'm listening to Ghost Town right now, and for first impressions, they don't sound amazing. You can hear the song, you can hear the little details, but they're not super bass heavy or anything like that. They're not like your average headset, like your Bluetooth headphones, like the JBL ones that I own, but they are good enough. And there's also the mic. Okay. That has been this video, and yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for sticking until the end. Please leave a like down below for the YouTube algorithm. That helps out a lot. And if you like videos like this and more videos, please subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot. And yeah, that has been today's video. Peace. I've got a school project that I've got to work on, and I want to see if I can edit this video and upload it by today. So, peace out.